I had an absolutely fantastic experience snorkeling at Blue Bay Water Sports. Tristan, my instructor, was exceptional. She was not only friendly and considerate but also incredibly knowledgeable about the various fish and marine species in the area. Her passion for the underwater world made the experience even more enjoyable. Tristan took the time to ensure I was comfortable and well informed, which made the adventure both safe and exciting. The vibrant marine life and crystal clear waters were stunning, and thanks to Tristan, I was able to fully appreciate the beauty of the snorkeling region. I highly recommend Blue Bay Water Sports for an unforgettable snorkeling adventure. The staff at Blue Bay Dive and Water Sports were outstanding from start to finish. The woman at the desk made figuring out our me's booked reservation a breeze and was wonderful to chat with. Lorenzo was our tour guide and was remarkably knowledgeable, funny, personable, and courteous. Hundreds of fish and beautiful coral to see that is right off the shore. No boat required. Even for someone who doesn't love being in the water, this trip was memorable and the best part of our trip to Curacao. Lorenzo was able to recommend a wonderful restaurant close to our Airbnb, 45 minutes away, and still managed to nail that too. Highly, highly recommend. We have a son with cerebral palsy and he wanted to try snorkeling while we were in Curacao. Our guide, Esther, with Blue Bay Dive and Water Sports was amazing. She recognized that we were struggling with the equipment for our son at the beginning of the tour and she took over with so much patience. She stayed with him through the whole tour, encouraging him along the way, and he loved it. She never missed a beat explaining what we were all viewing underwater as well. Many thanks to Esther for making this an enjoyable experience for us all. My son is almost 11 and it was time for his first open water exploration dive. He did an intro with Sharon and Max. They were absolutely wonderful. They made sure he understood the theory and then took him to a reef in the bay where he saw a sea turtle, hawkfish and lionfish. They were the perfect balance of challenge and reassurance and he felt like he had walked on the moon afterwards. I highly recommend this dive resort and their instructors. After the PADI e-learning course, very well designed, and a written test, we received a thorough instruction and briefing before diving underwater. Both instructors did a fantastic job, patiently and sensitively guiding me through the exercises. The wall dive was impressive. This dive center is perfect for beginners and those returning to diving. You can spend the rest of the day relaxing on the beach and snorkeling to your heart's content. A wonderfully beautiful place to have your first diving experience or to get your PADI. The dive shop is located on the beautiful beach of Blue Bay Resort, an ideal location with crystal clear water and a beautiful underwater world. The team is very professional, helpful, and enthusiastic, ensuring that both beginners and advanced divers have a great experience. We enjoyed the personal guidance and will definitely be back. This was my first time snorkeling, and since I also get motion sickness, this activity was perfect for me. I didn't have to get on a boat to go snorkeling, which made the experience much more comfortable. Nora was so kind, patient, and made me feel at ease. I stayed at the Blue Bay Resort, and this snorkeling spot was right on the beach at the resort, so it was super convenient and easy to walk to. Highly recommend.